Hello students, today we will start Ampere's circuital law. In last lecture we have done Biot-Savart's law and its application, and today we will discuss about the Ampere's circuital law and where is it apply. It apply when we want to find out the magnetic field at any point around the current carrying conductor. Okay, and its statement is that the line integral of magnetic field around any closed path in free space is equal to absolute permeability. Absolute permeability of the free space is represented by mu naught, and so it is equal to absolute permeability mu naught times the net current passing through any surface enclosed by the closed path. If we take I as the current passing through any current carrying conductor and mu naught is the free space permeability, B is the magnetic field, then according to Ampere's circuital law we have line integral of the magnetic field means B. So it represented by integration with the closed path L B dot dl equal to mu naught I. To understand it, we take an example. So let us take an example. So to understand the Ampere's circuital law, we take an example. For this, we take a current carrying conductor which is infinite long and having the current flow in it I. And we know that when the current is in upward direction, then by the Oersted experiment, then magnetic field lines represented by the concentric circle in anti-clockwise. Right? Now if we find out the magnetic field at the point P, which is a distance away from this point, okay, then here we will consider xy is the current element which has the length dl. Right? It has the length dl, and at the point P magnetic field has the direction same as the dl. This is represented by the B. B and dl has the same direction because B is given as tangentially to these magnetic field lines. Okay, so according to Ampere's circuital law, B dot dl is equal to mu naught I. Now we prove it. So according to this diagram, B dot dl and line integral of it, this will be given by as B dl cos theta, and theta is here equal to 0 because both are in the same direction. So this will be equal to integral B dl, right? Take B on outside, so we have B and line integral of dl. Integration of the dl, we have the L, so this will be equal to BL, and limit here we will take from 0 to 2 pi a. Why is it taken 2 pi a? Because dl has the limit as the circumference. It can be from 0 to its circumference of the radii of the circle which has equal to a. So we will take a limit of this integration from 0 to 2 pi a, then it will become equal to b 2 pi a. Right? Now what is the value of b? In last to last lecture you can see the value of b. When we have the infinite long current carrying conductor, we have the value of b is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2I divided by a. Right? You can check. Put this value in this equation, then it will become mu naught upon 4 pi into 2I by a into 2 pi a. A to a cancel, then 4 to 4 cancel, pi to pi cancel, so we have B dot dl, and integration line integral of it, this will be equal to mu naught I, and also it is the Ampere circuital law which is proved by this derivation. So आज के लिए इस वीडियो में इतना ही. If you like it then subscribe my channel. Thank you.